What's up guys, AK with DCC train. I'm converting this Atlas Genset DCC ready with a sound decoder. Couple of tips I want to share. So DCC ready boards, they are okay if you put like small just DCC decoder. If it's sound, I don't think so. That's a lot of room here. So the board going bye-bye. They did pretty good job on space for speaker. I'm happy with this. But construction of the motor assembly and how it's holding. So when I was cutting all that stuff and like removing wires, I found the motor kind of moving back and forth about 1.5 millimeters both ways. I'm like, interesting. So I didn't convert much of them, but I don't think so I ever went far like this. So I thought, okay, let's check the like fuel tank, how to take it out. And the only one way, you need to remove all of those parts. So 2 clips for the trucks, then there is rods with those worm gears kind of clipping here, and then you sliding motor from like one side and the other side and taking out. Also the soldering, the wires like okay quality, so I'm putting new wires for sure. And then 2 screws here and here, and that's how the whole sandwich construction holding that thing. So I going probably to put some Loctite inside. So right now it's very good, and that will be final assembly very soon. I'm happy with LEDs, and that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, there is join membership button under every single video. Thank you and have a good one. Bye bye.